Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Big Red, T825010C, Torin 2-1/2 ton, low-profile trolley jack with 360-degree rotating handle and blow case. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Torin Jack's 2-1/2 ton low-profile trolley jack is built for extra lifting and maneuverability for all your load lifting needs. This heavy-duty hydraulic jack has a low profile that easily fits under low loads and makes lifting easy. The jack is 100% factory tested for reliability and safety. The 2-1/2 ton lift capacity offers a safety overload system to prevent use beyond the rated capacity. It includes a 360-degree rotating handle and blow case, heavy-duty jack saddle and 360-degree swivel casters for easy maneuvering. It lifts to a maximum height of 13 to 15/16 inches. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.